my lord, one more important
change of center is concerned, the petitioners have let's focus only at Godhra. In Godhra, the change of center was by only 34 persons, out of which only 16 could be allotted the change of center.
And they are not getting any admission.
They are not getting millets any.
So come again, for change of centers.
Yes.
Was by NTA, you change the center.
By the candidates, by the
Permitted change.
Yes.
No, but we took it that candidate has no choice of change of center.
Correction of
city.
City. I stand corrected.
Right.
City.
Right. So,
for example, Jaipur to Godhra. And out of.
So do we have, overall, do we have any data on how many students all over the country, say in the first 1,08,000, we'll now focus on 1,08,000 better, had changed their cities?
We will get that data, but we have got the data of Godhra only. It's because the Godhra was the only.
So how many of the 1,08,000 would have changed their cities? We would like to know that.
That will be possible.
And we would also like to see the distribution of which were the cities that they changed. Was there any change in respect of one of these suspect areas, like Hazaribagh or Patna, or is there any concentration in the change of cities to specific cities?
There is one interesting statistic.
That will give us some idea.
I have seen one.
Is there any skew in respect of those who got registered between the 9th and 10th of April 24? So after lunch, we are just short of lunch. We'll just break for lunch. After all this mental exercise, you also need a little lunch. But what we want to know is this, that those who changed their centers, how many of those have made it to the 1,08,000? That's one. And second, is there any skew in favor of those who had changed their the cities on the 9th and 10th?
We have let's roughly work out.
Right.
Some people change their language. Some people change their language. They said, please give us a Gujarati medium, for instance.
Or language. Just
that,
give us also language. So 9th, concentrate on 9th and 10th of April. How many students change? How many of the fresh registrations? For fresh registrations also could change their centers?
Yes. Fresh registration date is after which
When they change the center during that period.
new application is totally different. New applications are completely different.
Can an old student
Acha, one more. Only confined to one student. Then how did you open up the portal for on 9th and 10th of April 2024 beyond that one student? As a result of which 15,000 students registered. Just 1 second, we have something very important. We'll forget it otherwise. Out of the 15,000 students, how many are in the 1,08,000?
Correct. The reason is I can give.
Mr. Kaushik, just talk to your staff at lunch and come back after lunch.
Advocate Nadumara here. I think our discussions are going a little off. But I may be
That's why Nedumara is there to ensure that we don't go off.
I may be permitted to address your lordship for just 5 minutes.
Of course. Who said no?
No, before you further proceed below. I was patiently listening everything because I think the whole issue is
one second.
Yes.
One of your colleagues is in.
No, I only want one sentence to be permitted.
After he finishes, we'll hear.
No, I only wanted to say one sentence. Hear me in one sentence.
One sentence.
One sentence only. The whole question before the court is whether the test should be examination be cancelled or and a re-examination to be conducted. The discussion is far away from that.
No. This is the heart of it. We have to look at the evidence, the underlying evidence in the record to see whether
But that is a major administrative decision. It is not depending on a minor irregularity here or there. It's a major administrative decision. For a minor irregularity here or there.
All right. Mr. Nedumara, 1 second. We were a little confused. Are you on this side or on that side?
My lord, I am for the petitioners and my submission is,
You are saying no retest.
no, my lord, absolutely, the only way is to conduct a retest.
Okay. Then that's
And my lord, I want
I
to use
thought
a
you
very,
were- I thought
very
you were
soft
saying no retest.
terminology, very soft terminology. I discussed with the IIT professor, he used a strong terminology. I'm not using it. He used the terminology the professor used was my lord, the IIT report. He said, my lord, there are three types of lies. Lies, damn lies, and now IIT report.
Let's not.
No,
we have to-
I'm not using it. I'm not saying that,
We don't use adjective.
No, I'm not using
That's not fair.
Childish
Mr.
way.
Nedumara,
No,
also
not-
1 second. Let's not just damn it's
No, no,
Premier
I'm-
Institute. It's so easy to say something about a Premier
No,
Institute.
my lord,
Say something.
Give us core facts. Give us core facts.
no, my lord, I'm very
adjective.
soft on them.
Give us core facts.
If my lord were to hear the cold, if I can point out just one aspect of the exam, my lord, if I can just say one aspect before my lord.
All right, we'll come back after lunch. Yes, man. Your Judges Association, man.
Scope of your association to take,
Today this will go on. So we'll take a pension matter for judges. We'll probably take it up next week. You're safe today. You can.
Grateful, my lords.
Because